So we have a question here where it's saying a square is equals to b cube, where a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0, and under root of a raised to power x is equals to b. So what is the value of x? So basically we can see these two as two equations and we need to solve these. First of all, we can write a square and start by writing a square is equals to b cube. Sorry for my handwriting. And if we take under root both sides, this will become a and this will become 3 by 2, which tells us like a is equals to b raised to power 3 by 2. So we can just simply, or what we should do is uh, write b in terms of a, cause this will become easy that way. So we can also write b is equals to a raised to power 2 by 3 just by taking square under root of 3 both sides. If we take this, so this will cancel out and this will become 2 by 3. So yeah, now we can just put the value of a in our previous equation here, which says a raised to power x is equals to a raised to power 2 by 3. We can write this as a raised to power x by 2. It's an exponent property and a raised to power 2 by 3. So now we can equate these powers as the base is same. So x by 2 is equals to 2 by 3, where x is equals to 4 by 3, and this is our answer. So if you have any doubts in this question, please let me know. And if you want one-on-one tutoring with me, just mail me at I'll give my mail in the description of this video. Yeah, so have a good day.